here drumming for Achu is me, my two sisters here, my brothers, and my dad, and my two cousins.
My name is Siana Tari Short.
Akirata Short. Mahanere Short. Estelle Short. I'm 14 years of age.
15 years of age.
I'm 11 years of age. 10 years old.
The Maeva Nui is a celebration where everyone comes together to celebrate self-government as a country by performing what we love, our culture, singing, dancing, drumming, and performing to other people to show them how we celebrate self-governments.
Having Dad as our group leader, we can just like drum the beats because we're not shy of our own dad. Since we were little, our father taught us all how to drum. It's easier to practice because most of our drummers are in our family and we live together. So we can just say, oh, we're having a practice, and yeah.
Culture is important to us because it's who we are as a Cook Islander. It's our own type of, what's the word? Identity, yeah.
When we're adults, the younger generations, we can show them how to do our culture properly and keep our culture alive.
There are different styles of different islands. So, like the northern group, they have their own type of drumming. They often use the tinny, and the high part is where the southern group, which is us, we use just the deep part is and the takiro to hit the drums.
Sometimes we dance and sometimes we drum. We know how to do both. Now us three dance and he will drum.